What is going on? We are back with another home tour. Today we are in Antioch. We are going to tour a 3 or 4 bedroom, 2 bath, single story house over 1,700 square feet. We are located in the beautiful Mira Vista Hills neighborhood. Love this area. You can see just from the neighborhood alone, you have the hills this way. You got the hills back over here this way. Right? You're just minutes from Black Diamond Mines for hiking. Beautiful area to take photos, especially like sunset type photos. Absolutely fantastic location for that. And then right up over that hill there is the backside to Contra Loma. Tons of fishing, hiking trails, bike trails, all kinds of stuff that you can do out there. So they have the lake, they got the swimming pool there. You can picnic, you can hang out for the day. So I love this location. And just behind the house is going to be Mira Vista Hills Park. It's got a full playground, huge grass area, a baseball field, tennis courts. Super good area to hang out. So you can see we have a 2 car garage on this one. The nice rock outline here, stucco finish on the exterior, and very, very water friendly front yard, right? I bet at some point there was a water feature located right there, would be my guess if I had to guess. You can see super low maintenance. It's in good shape. We even have solar up there. Now, as we go in, we're going to walk right into our entryway of this house. And fun fact, I used to live in the same exact model down the street. So as we come into the entry, we had a picture frame here, window cut out that you could see into the dining area. But walk in, you have your coat closet in your entryway as soon as you come in. And then if you wrap right around the entryway corner is going to be your formal dining area. Laminate flooring throughout most of this house. Fresh paint, gray with the white. It looks super nice, super clean. But this is a nice area where you can set up formal dining, but at the same time, you're connected to the kitchen. You're also connected to the family room. So it's separated, but it's not disconnected. Then right off of here, right, you go into the family room made for wide open entertainment with the ceiling fan in it. We have dual pane windows throughout the entire property, which is fantastic. But this is a great area for sitting, entertaining, hanging out with friends, family, or by yourself if you like to. And yes, this even has a fireplace in it, which can be sometimes hard to find. But imagine you have your book and a fire, your TV up there and a fire. Really, really relaxing environment to be in. Very calming. Give you a full angle of what this looks like here. Right? And that leads right to our dining and kitchen combo. So you can see we have the chandelier above the table here. So it's a good spot to be able to sit, eat, gather. You even have some bar stools set up here where you can have some more seating. So you're not in the kitchen area, but you're right outside of it to be able to hang out there and have a meal or have some time together. There is an outlet down here which is important because if you wanted to turn this into a coffee station or a coffee bar, very simple to do. You have the power there, or you can leave it like it is right now. You have a little bit of storage, sitting area, maybe desk, homework, and then you have upper cabinets, freshly painted. So multi-use kind of area right here. Some extra cabinets for storage on the side, and then we have our kitchen, which is so clean. There's solid surface countertops. Tons of light coming in through that window right there, which is very nice. A lot of storage. All right, and a big, deep sink here, which is very helpful as well. So you get an idea what it looks like from inside the kitchen, right? You're not disconnected. There's your formal dining right there. Sitting area or family room, plus your dining room. So everybody is kind of still together. But if you wanted some space or to get away from the kitchen area, then you can just go back to the family room right over there and you will be just fine to be able to chill and relax as well. So the layout and functionality of this model is fantastic, right? Especially with the location next to Contra Loma. Let's go in the garage. And Black Diamond. Not too far from the freeway either, right? Shopping as well. So it's a really good spot. The canal trail is close. You can walk the canal. Just your basic 2-car garage in here. And the canal leads, you can walk that for miles. So it's good for, active people who want to get outside and be moving around, but need a little variety too, because there's just so many things to do that are so close to here. So one of my favorite things about this house is the fact that the bedrooms are all on the back side of the house, away from the living space, which gives you a little bit of that separation. So if you have younger kids or you want to go to bed and people are still here, you can kind of sneak away to the back end of the house. There's a closet here with shelves for some extra storage in the hallway as well. So here's the first bedroom. You see they run the same laminate flooring through here. Now this one is going to be towards the front of the house. Right. You got your mirrored closet doors and a ceiling fan as well, which is very, very nice in those warmer evenings. Even in the fall, when it cools down, you can open the windows, get some fresh air in, turn the fans on. This is bedroom 2. Still in the front, right? Dual pane windows. This one has a ceiling fan. No mirrored closet doors in this one. And it comes with the bonus, right? Access to under your house. So what you tell people for that, what that is. All right, let's check out one of the bathrooms. See, they have the vinyl tile looking squares in here. Super cool. Matches the countertops. And it's like a dark gray with a blue tint, this paint. It's really nice. I like it a lot. Big mirror. Nice fixture. All right, and this is a tub over shower here. It even has some grip pads in it so you don't fall on your butt, which is very nice. Okay, on to bedroom number 3. Now, these windows are going to be facing the back of the house. You keep with the same kind of flooring throughout. Dual pane windows in here too. Tons of shelving. Ceiling fan in this room as well. Lots of shelves in that closet. And then the last bedroom, which is all the way in the back, is the primary. We'll go through the bathroom first with the single sink. Nice updated tops though. I like that. With the fixture that I forgot to turn on, but I had to turn on so you can see that it worked. Mirrored closet doors here. But that's just one of the 2 closets that they have in here. And then a stall shower in here. That shower head's got 2 shower heads. And then that leads you right into the primary, which is awesome because it has the slider that we're going to go through to check out the backyard. And it's a big bedroom. You can see the big mirrored doors here. With these custom closet organizers that are in it. So having this closet here and that one there, super helpful. Super helpful. Ceiling fan. It's a very nice bedroom. But let's go check out the backyard and see how we like it. I love the fact that we have a slider off the primary bedroom. Allows you to come straight back here and enjoy this area here. It kind of has 2 sections, right? You can tell here that the sun's is on this side, and that one is going to be shaded over there. Just a regular side yard with your AC condenser. See, we have stucco on the back of the house too. This is like a bench here all the way along. Sitting, hang out. You can put a table out here. Have a nice little seating area outside of the primary bedroom. And you got a nice area to hang out in. Oh, I bet we found another water feature too. Yeah, I bet that was another location right here for a water feature with power right there. So it's got the artificial turf back here. So pretty low maintenance itself too, in the backyard as well, which is awesome. You can kind of get an idea of the size of it. It's just less than 8,000 square feet on this lot. So plenty of space back here. And then you have the full covering. If you were to come out of that door, you'd be able to come back here and have this full covering. And it's also beneficial because you have the windows here, so it's going to keep the windows shaded in the evenings as well. So you're not going to be letting a ton of sunlight into that bedroom there or into your family room when you're hanging out there in the evening. So this is very nice. It even has a little skylight in it just to give you a little more natural light coming in. Right. And then you got the she shed, he shed, storage shed on the side for all the stuff you don't want nobody to see. You just put it right in there. And then you have a nice side yard. A small trailer, small boat, right? This is a long side yard with a gate that opens all the way, the whole width, so it doesn't split in the middle. Right, it wheels from there. You can see the little track from the tire, and then it wheels all the way over to the fence, which is going to give you a big opening to be able to drive through here with whatever you want to store on the side. It's actually a perfect little cornhole spot over here on the side. Maybe you make this a barbecue area too. Put a little cover on it, put a little barbecue area on it. Be absolutely money. Telling you, Mira Vista Hills is a slept-on community here in Antioch. It's been around for a very long time. I think this house was built in 77 or 78. right? So knowing what you're getting when you move into this community, the location of it, as far as being close to Contra, Loma, being close to Black Diamond, not too far from the freeway, pretty close to some shopping centers and the canal. There's all kinds of stuff to do around here. So I'm a big fan of Mira Vista Hills. Big fan. So if you guys like it, let me know. Reach out. I'd love to show you this one. And it's under 600,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, single story, under 600,000 in a great location. So I'd love to take you by, check it out. Or you guys can always ask me for my free PDF download of my buyer's guide as well. So take you through the whole process. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one.